Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you all for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I've got another easy project to show you guys here in this video. As most of you who do watch my videos know, I just like to make quick and simple projects. This one here is another one of those projects, and all you need to do this project is 2 pieces of 6x6 papers from your 6x6 paper pads. I know we all have a whole heap of 6x6 paper pads, and this is a perfect project for you using those paper pads that we have so much of. Also with this project, it is a great project for those that are into happy mailing or snail mailing, or if you are in a crafting swap group and you have a swap partner. This is also a great for you to make to give to your swap partner, and you can still add some goodies because there's 2 little pockets in there where you can add some goodies, a note, or whatever you like in this simple flip book. You can also perhaps place this in a traveler's notebook for junk journaling. So I'm going to show you the inside of the flip book that I made with the pockets, and this is it here. If you also want to know the papers that I used, it's this one here. It's by Pebbles. It's their Garden Party 6x6 paper pad. It's really lovely prints in here, lots of bright colors, lots of florals, and they've got some cute cut apart pictures in here too, images that I've already used most of it, and they're just really fun to use as embellishments. So here's another one, and I'm not too sure if this is an older collection, but I've had this for a while. And so yeah, that's the paper pad that I use. So it's 3 inches by 6 inches, and these are from the 6x6 paper, and I just embellish that. And then on the side here, I'm using the tab die shapes that I have. I've placed one on the front of the flip book and then also onto the back, and they look like this. These are the tab shapes. I have these in my Etsy store, and I'll put the link down below of my store if you're interested. I have these in random prints in a pack, and what I've done was you just fold that in half, and then I punched a hole in the middle on both of the tab shape, and then I just thread some seam binding so it can create a closure. It's also nice and flat, so it's great for you to send in the post. It'd be inexpensive. It will still fit into a standard size envelope, and you can still add heaps of goodies in here as well, and it won't be so bulky to post. And I'll show you the inside. So this is how I've laid out the pockets in the flip book. These are the 2 little pockets. It has a little tuck spot on one side in the front, and I've got here some ephemeras. You can also add a little packet of sequins. You can also add all sorts of things. There's still enough spot there to add some little goodies. And up here is the top pocket, and I've got these from the paper pad as well, and I've just cut them out, and they fit perfectly in there. And then on this side here is the other pocket, and I've got here a embellishment that I made with a ticket strip shape that I made myself, and then I embellished that. And there is the same tab die shape that I use as a topper, a bag topper, and that fits in there. And I also like the way that it sticks out of the booklet as well. I think it's nice to have all these different pattern papers sticking out. Makes it more fun. And then up here is another pocket. I've got here some packaged die cuts and a little tag, so that goes in there. And then these corners were just plain white, and I thought I would just embellish this space here with some of the leftover pieces of papers that I had left, and then just place that on the top. And this one here is an embellishment that I made, and what you can do is you can do the same and make an embellishment and then add just a little bit of double-sided tape to the back of the embellishment. That way your recipient can then take out the embellishment and then use that in another project, and it's like another little gift you can give to them as well. And then I've got here some washi tape just to in the middle of the fold, just to decorate it a little bit because it was just a little bit too plain and white. And that's the back, and I'll show you how to make the pockets. And what all you need is you'll need just one piece of 6x6 paper, and you're just going to want to cut that in half, so you will have two pieces at 3 inches by 6 inches. And then what we'll do next is you're going to bring the left side and you're going to fold that over, and you only want to fold it just enough so that it will just create a little tuck spot for your little goodies. So just about that much. I think that's probably about 3/4 of an inch roughly. And then this part here on the right, you're going to open that up. We're going to bring this over and we're going to just line up the edge just below that crease line that we've just made the fold. So you want to place that edge of the paper just below that fold line, that way this part can fold over. And we'll just open that up again, and we're just going to apply some glue or liquid glue. If you have a fine tip glue, that would be great. Gives you more room for a pocket if you have less glue. And we're going to just place some glue just along the bottom of that second panel, just along the bottom up to that fold line, and then a little bit of glue on the bottom of that fold line. And we'll just bring this over and we're going to seal that off. And that will give you your top pocket. And now with this part here, we'll add some glue to the bottom and also on the top. So a little bit there and a little bit there. And then close that over. And then that will give you that little side tuck pocket and the top one. And then you can go ahead and make your second pocket with the other piece. And when you've done your pockets, you just need to grab another piece of 6x6 paper, and you just simply fold that in half, and that will make your flipbook cover like I have here. And then you add some washi tape, or you can add some scrap paper and place some in the middle there if you like, or you can leave it as is, and then just decide where you'd like your pockets to go. You can have them like I have, one on the top, one on the bottom. You can have them side by side, and then you have these little areas to decorate. And then you can add all your goodies in there. Add your little closure to the front here if you like. You can use a belly band. You can just use some twine and wrap it around, or leave it as is. So there's so many ways you could decorate and have fun adding your goodies and making a closure. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, a really simple one for you, yet it still looks really fun to look at as well. And also don't forget, I will be doing a giveaway. I did say on my last video that I was going to do a giveaway in the next week or so. The only things, I may not be able to do that giveaway as I said, sometime next week, because it's coming to Christmas and the New Year, and I think we're all pretty busy, and I'll be a little bit busy. I didn't realize how quick the time was going, so I may not do this giveaway till just after the New Year, if that's okay with everybody. But please come back, and I will keep you notified with the giveaway, as this one is it's a really fun giveaway that I'll be doing, and this is part of the giveaway with some goodies, and there'll also be other fun goodies for you as well if you do decide to join in and enter. So stay tuned for more updates on the giveaway. But I do hope you enjoy this video for now, and then I will see you all in my next video. Bye.